Diz has got a lot of respect from everyone, players and and staff, and they've come out and had a right go for 20-25 minutes, and then obviously getting the third goal kills the game off completely. So I can't really remember having any great opportunities. A couple of shots from outside the box that Shep dealt with, a couple of crosses in the box and set plays, but we've had Kent's had a great chance. Ben Wilson's went through there. We've had a couple other ones as well. So it's I wouldn't say it was completely comfortable, but it was a well and truly deserved win, especially with the first half performance.
Connah are always a tough team. They always have been down the years. Even when league standings, no matter what, they're always a tough team. So it's nice to win, and it's nice to score against them as well.
To come here at 2-0 down at half time, I felt that as a player many times. It's not a place that we win very often, if not once in probably the 9-10 years I've been at the club. That doesn't mean that we're not looking to try and get a positive result. It doesn't mean that we're not trying to win the game. Of course we are. But the character that the lads shown at the start of the second half, especially for probably 25-30 minutes, was really, really impressive.
We've got new players coming, everyone's fighting for the positions. Been here for a couple of years now, so I'm no stranger to people coming in. I'll just fight for my shirt and keep going.
2 clean sheets, away at Penabont, home to Connah's Quay. You look at it, and last season, we played Connah's Quay 3 times, and all games finished 2-1. And last year we got beat down at Penabont as well. So really pleased for the lads. Obviously, it was a really poor display and a really poor result against Britain Ferry. But if the lads keep playing like that, that's all we can do. We've obviously bounced back fantastically, and we'll then rest up and make sure we'll go and take that on and try and get a win at Colwyn Bay on Monday.